Did you know that repair shops and fleets can save thousands of dollars if they clean their own after-treatment parts like DPFs? At Redline Emissions Products, we've been manufacturing replacement parts for diesel emission systems and industry-leading after-treatment cleaning equipment since 2014. We'd like to introduce you to our line of DPF cleaning packages. The Filtertherm Thermal Cleaning Package is a premium cleaning system without the high-end price. This package includes the Filtertherm Pulse Cleaner that quickly removes accumulated ash and particulate matter, the Filtertherm DPF Thermal Oven that goes way beyond other baking kilns, the Filtertherm Cool Down Cart, which holds 2 DPFs at a time and decreases the cool down time by 2 to 4 hours. The Filtertherm Dust Collector Kit is compact, easy to move, and great for quick blowouts. And the Filtertherm Inspection Table for DPF weight, flow reading, crack detection, inspection, and documentation. At Redline Emissions Products, our mission is diesel emission systems made easy. That is why each Filtertherm thermal cleaning package we manufacture is built in the United States, assuring access to parts, supplies, and expert technical service and advice. It comes with multiple safety features to protect the filters as well as your employees. Has the ability to process 8 to 12 filters at a time, and is ergonomically designed to be able to safely move filters around your shop. Allows the flow and weight information to be digitally displayed. The oven has a refrigerator-style door and stainless steel grate to protect bricks. If you'd like to purchase a Filtertherm thermal cleaning package, visit rep.direct or call us toll-free. Our number is 1-888-295-4670.